IGP Asantehene, Mr. Christian Yohuno, on any penny for and a Omapa 2 Nasi. Na IGP name penny for ever, yeah. I'm not to say, ye know, say Omeda Bosi, Makoyani, Intimi Mau 2 Nasi. Intiana Waba, I saw the new Babet share, Neja 2 na wada nasi mpaiwa ode tanichi amana bedu sa dibie ya nyame ede na ba bedu na afa nso waba besire ne nsam nhira na sire nyansa omaye futuo na ode betoto na dwume na maga na bosi edumekuo no etimi apeja akonedim ebiom IGP ni mpanyifo baye ombese ombe kache era so omodanase Bawku mediation a wastati pambofo de boye bebre enti ye danase afa so ya IGP na brewa e be film na otumfo anhwe ne saa otu eye nana ejeni mbwate e ma ne mpanyifo eba e disika futuro eba beja na brewa kwan IGP any sodo inti ene obaya wamma ne saakwa ode nsa ahodo bebre tuna abuka ho ena abrofonsa ene nsa ahodo bebre one more dear so at the so na otumfo chia me yemfensi so IGP say farmer yewura na yewura emano afa edanas me pacho yeda IGP baya ne nanti ina commander ne mpanyufo de omo ha dedanti me yi omo na me de management board members e baya no mandane omo achre ne di kan ye wo chief superintendent Mr. Kujo Abwaje ono no ye chief staff officer. After Chief Superintendent Abwaje, so ye were Chief Superintendent Solomon Koli, or your IGP, the Executive Secretary. And no, ye were DCOP, Mr. Elton and Chambium, ye were DCOP, Mr. Sebastian Achu Wemeka, or your Director General ICT. Ye finished to anaya by DCOP, Mr. Eric Bwemfo, or your Director General NAPD, a National Protections Department. We finish to another bad DCOP, Mr. Martin Ayi, Director General Research and Planning. On which your DCOP, Mr. Ahin Ano, Director General Special Duties. Opemsuo Bawku, Commissioner of Police, Mr. Peter Baba Atina, Dijon in Pennyfuone Bawku. We finish to another Commissioner of Police, Mr. Idi Lansa Seidu, Director General Human Resources Welfare. Sorry, Director General Welfare. Now, if you buy a penny back so on your if you have Commissioner of Police, Mr. Michael Nketia Fripon, Director General Finance. Commissioner of Police, Alaji Fuseni Suraji, Director General NPD, National Patrols Department. Now, Maba Commissioner of Police, Dr. Ernest Olusu, Director General Services. ACP Grace and San Akufi, Director Public Affairs, Police Kasama. Now, me patrol whether you penny pa, Inspector General of Police, Asantehene, Mr. Christian Tete.
Thank you for allowing us to come at a short notice. But I am not a stranger in this house. I've moved with various IGPs to come and visit you. I've learned a lot from them. And now it is my time. Thank you for your prayers. I thank you for your attention to lead me where I have reached today in my career as a police officer. I also want to pass you to say very big thank you to the President of the Republic for saying what he has said in his video. I do the Ghana monitored everything that you have done for us as a police service. And then coming here, the right is to come to you in Solomon to get wisdom, direction, so that we can be able to steer the affairs of the police service in Ghana. Especially Monse in Ashanti. Getting close to you, I will get to know also the challenges that people face here in terms of security. To enable me and my team to plan very well. It is our desire to make sure that as we make effort to make Accra and the whole Ghana peaceful, here in Kumasi is also so dear to our heart. So anything that will disturb the peace of the citizens of this region, have to work together. And I'm happy to say that the regional commander, the new regional commander, is working tirelessly. Recently, there was a resurface of this attack on Momo vendors, where a woman and one other person were killed by the robbers who attacked them. The president was so concerned. So before my swearing in, the president asked me that this incident which happened, we have to work tirelessly to make sure that we put it to rest. I charged the regional commander and also the assistance from the National Security Coordinator. We work as a team. I'm glad to announce to you that my officers here managed to get all those perpetrators. We have arrested them all. And though that may not be the end of it, but now we can believe that people in the Ashanti region are having relative peace as far as that crime is also concerned. A lot of arrests were made, and of which I said they should let the whole world hear what they have been doing. Their patrol teams were very effective. Last night, they made some serious arrests. Earlier on, there was an attack of one of our senior officers in his residence. And he and his team, they worked very hard to arrest those perpetrators of that crime. So I'm happy that the regional commander and his team are working very hard. But we continue to give them the support so that our dearest region, Ashanti region, which is one of the biggest regions that we can be proud of, people in this area can go about their normal duties without taking time. Your Royal Highness, the Royal Majesty, if I'm making a mistake, please go for me. Sometimes I don't know the difference. So, recently I visited Bawku when our men were seriously attacked. There was a threat of more serious attack on their lives. When I got to Bolga, the whole place was in flames. Everywhere was burning. All our personnel where they were staying were all set on fire. And so that made me to rush to work. When I got to Bolga, the intelligence I had is that it would be difficult for me to enter. And I said, my men are already trapped there. So how can I end my journey in Bolga? What am I coming to tell my other colleagues in general? So I persevered with my team, and then we went. And we were able to talk to the Bawku Naba that he should also talk to his people to let peace prevail. Because we as security officers, in the course of doing our work, we may go wrong somewhere. And then they should forgive us for what happened, so that we can continue to work together to ensure that peace comes to the general. They accepted it. I also spoke to the youth. While we're doing that, we're also hearing your preparation to come to our aid. And then just when I left there, then I also saw your quick effort. You were there when you already set a date that on so and so date you will start working. We are so grateful when we heard of your plan to help resolve the problem in Bawku. That brought a lot of relief to us. And so we want to say thank you very much, because the security personnel, military police and all other securities, they are very happy for your intervention. But what we want to tell you as you start is that the normal policing duties have been withdrawn. It's only the operational teams that are there, because they appear vulnerable that they could be attacked at their various homes. So we ask that all those with families, they could go back to other regions to be so that we make Bawku an operational ground. And that is what we have been doing together with the till now. So we want to give you just a small background about the way we are operating in Bawku. One particular area is Binduri, which is we are working together with national security so that we can look at the best way to reduce the hotness about Binduri. I say thank you so much for coming in at a time when things are very difficult for us. We working there as security officers, things are very difficult for us. That we have accepted the president's plea to you to come in. You did what you did before, and what you and your team did for the people of Gabon. So we are very proud when we heard that, decided to step in, so that not only the people of Bawku will be safe, but we, the security personnel who are also working there, we can also become safe. Anna, Your Majesty, I want to also say thank you. Thank you very much. We were not in the country when the funeral announcement of 9 months was announced to you. You didn't hesitate. You nominated one of the chiefs to come and with his delegation. They did very well. I'm so proud to hear that. Even though you were not even there, we asked that we should come to represent you. We have come to you, even though we have come a bit late, forgive us. We decided to come there to shake hands with you. Those who have not been here first time, they are happy shaking hands with you. Yes, we have a lot of your pictures in my room. I'm always proud watching it anytime there's a chance of. So, Your Majesty, this is the reason why we have come to visit you. Even though we know we have a lot of activities during this period, we decided to accept us to meet you this afternoon. Thank you so much.
Jean. Jean.
Piano, the other is a chance and I buy what to be an answer. Man, Jessica, I come because of the you
Jojo.
when did you want to know what between I am and
Joe.
son or something? A baba. Why you be this is the was changing after the faction and woman who says, was she an ambassador to the young lady?
Jojo.
Who were for any has no promotion to the women.
Jojo.
I came when there was a washing in our account. And you go up there, that's what you want to know. Refuge, no, never for me. You go up there now, come home, the mission go for 6 years. Or near my money as a
Jojo.
I get to this, I need to do that. The being car, the being true, that the being that. You got the car,
Jojo.
I will check with you, trying to get you a 20 die. Indeed, the one of the Diamond Bank, I'm not to be a track and the air day.
Jojo.
As you see, some sanity.
Joe.
Chief Commissioner said, you trying to say that Kaynesi came down in Dino. I do that,
Jojo.
better must go back. Opemsuo my business.
Jojo. 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 Joe. Jojo. Joe. 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 Joe.